Everybody, today we're gonna be going over the GE electrical timer. I know it seems simple, but I love this thing. Let me tell you all about it. So this electrical timer is very handy for turning things off at a certain time, and you can actually randomize on-off times if you wanted to for when you don't need it. So you can just kind of set and forget with certain things. For example, your Wi-Fi. It's very, very helpful to turn off your Wi-Fi when you're not using it, like when you're sleeping. Give your body a break from all the Wi-Fi signals traveling through us. So here we go. The nice thing about this is you plug it into your wall and you have outlets coming on either side. And you have the timer here. We'll go over how to use this timer. And then on the top, you can choose whether or not you want to use the timer or if you just want to use the outlet. So if you're on outlet, it will just be always powered on. If you're on timer, it will use the settings on here. And basically the way the timer works is, you see how it's kind of raised around there? When it's raised up, it will turn the power off. When it is down, the power is on. If you want to just completely randomize it, you can pull up and it'll just turn on and off randomly throughout the day. You just say, hey kids, Wi-Fi is only gonna be on from 5 to 6. If you want to get your iPad time in, that's when. If you hear click clacking, that's our dog. And you can kind of listen to how this works. So I push these ones down. And basically it only spins in one direction. So what you want to do is you want to set this as close to the time that it is when you plug it in. Once it's plugged into the wall, it will just keep time. If the power ever goes out, then you will need to kind of adjust this and set it right back to the right time. But the thing is, you can't turn it both directions. It'll only turn one direction. And as you go, you can actually hear it. Let's see if I can play this. Once it hits this part where it's raised, you'll hear this click sound, and that's turning the power off. Listen, here we go. It's where this arrow hits it. You hear that? That's when it turns off. So this will be off through here, and you feel it when it does it. It turns back on. The only thing about these is if you have kids, they go in here and they start messing with it. They start turning it. So have this behind like a couch or somewhere where they can't reach. But this has been really handy in making sure our Wi-Fi turns off. I got tired of unplugging it every night. It's nice so you can just set and forget it. That's the GE electrical timer. If you want more tips and tricks on how to reduce your EMF exposure, have an EMF safe family, be sure to check the video description below. We give away free EMF gear every month to our subscribers. As long as you're subscribed, you got a chance to get free EMF gear sent to your doorstep. Just our way of being able to give back and help you, and thank you for being a part of our community. Jeremiah, EMF Safe Family, talk to you later. Go pick one of these babies up. There's a link to it down in the description below. Good stuff. See ya. This is a GE electrical outlet timer. On the back it says it's a heavy duty timer. I mean, oh, I just broke it. That's terrible. Oops. I didn't break it. I'll show you how this works real quick.